Hello, my name is Realtor Charles, your favorite realtor in Enugu, Anambra, Southeast Nigeria.
Good to go.
And I want to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today, Saturday, October 29th, 2022, we went for mountain climbing at Ikilike Mountain here in Enugu, Nigeria. We got beautiful view of Enugu City from the top of the mountain. But before we explore, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video.
You're just at the foot of the mountain right now. Ready to get going. Still look at the angle of elevation. It's quite steep.
What did they cause you hold up now?
Now, bomb, they cause am for there.
Exercises like this are good for the body. Very good for the body. Do something challenging like this. Pictorial view of Enugu from this level. So, this is the first stage. The first stage of the hike. Successfully concluded. Right there. That's where we are just coming from. If you look behind me, you can see. Just coming from there. I guess this should be one day Angarican side of Enugu. You've got to love exploration. This is awesome. This is an exclusive view of nature. Yeah, bird's eye view of nature. Right behind me. If I tell you it's easy, I'll be lying. It's not easy, but it's fun. Bro, you've got some nerves, man.
Yeah. Be careful. Yeah, I want to go for this thing.
Just sitting on the cliff of the mountain.
Not you know what? Confirm.
So right now we are walking along a path that seems to be a flat land, not hilly. I guess this is just to also ease off a little bit, and get some strength, because I know there are still more mountains in front of us. You're moving. This is the top of the mountain.
You can pray, you can lay your prayer points to God.
This is the most difficult when it comes to coming down the mountain. Some of these guys are taking this route.
You still have time to give us.
Okay, God, go. I'm showing the video, you're not showing me. Showing me as I'm suffering. Oh, give me the video. I love hiking and swimming. I love you guys. Thank you for the experience.
Come, become. Okay, we are now at the foot of the second mountain. About to start climbing. Young lady that is asking if she will survive this. Where is thy faith?
If she can survive Nigeria,
if you can survive Nigeria, you can survive this. Be encouraged.
motivational speech. You know help I think.
Yeah, correct. Your shoe is not even happy. Crazy angle. Very steep. Very steep, guys. I need to catch my breath. Man. This is the second mountain. We went up the first one. We came down. And we just finished climbing the second one. My brother. Guys, at this point, I had to lie down to catch my breath. Do you remember Chibeze from season 1 of our hike? The one at some point had to take keke drop to get to where we started. He's back. And he made it in this one.